everyone, today I'm going to edit. I'll be going over all the details on my bike and doing an in-depth review on my 2020 Commencal Meta HT AM Essential. Hope you enjoy. So we'll start from the front and work to the back. So out front we've got this nice RockShox Yari RC with 160mm travel with the motion control dampeners, and it has a boost of 110mm at front, and it's got a 46mm offset on here. And we'll move on to the disc brakes now. The brakes are SRAM guide tees with 200mm rotors out front and 180mm rotor out back, and they are really powerful. I really like them, and they're just a great hydraulic brake. Now moving on to the headset, it is a Across alloy cups with sealed bearings and IPS technology, so I had no problems with it. It's pretty good. Now onto the stem, it is a Ride Alpha free ride with 40mm of length. Now on the bars, it's 180mm length and 27mm rise, and it's double butted with 70/50 alloy, and they're really nice. Now onto the grips. They are Ride Alpha DH grips, black ultra soft compound, single clamp, and they are the best grips I've ever had. Now onto the shifters. It is a SRAM SX Eagle, and it's a 12-speed, and I really like the thumb positioning on here. It's really nice, good positioning and really nice levels. Now we are moving on from the front end of the bike to the rear of the bike, and in the middle here we've got just a standard normal water bottle carrier that I've had forever, and I've got these Crank Brothers Stamp 2 large pedals. They are really good. They are my favourite pedals, and if you're in the market for buying pedals, I would really recommend them to you because they are really nice. On this bike we have, on the bottom bracket here, we've got a SRAM Dub BSA. I've had no issues with it, and it's quality. Now onto the crankset, we've got a SRAM X1 1000 Eagle, and it's 170mm long with a 32 tooth chain ring. It's work charm, I really like it. The rims we've got on this bike is a Spank Uzi 395 Plus, and with 32 holes and 35mm inner width, and they are tubeless ready. They are great rims. I've had no issues with them so far. The spokes are Sapin race spokes. They're stainless steel, and they are 2mm width. The tyres we have on this bad boy is a Maxxis Recon. They are 27.5 inch with 2.8 inch thickness. The 2.8 inch thickness really make this hardtail thrive. And they have the tubeless ready, the EXO casing, and they have 3C max speed compound. They are a great tyre. I really love them in 2.8 inch. And the tan walls just make this bike look extremely nice. On this machine, the seat post is a Commencal Lev SI with a 31.6mm diameter, and on my medium frame it has a 150mm drop. On this bike the saddle is a WTB SL8 race with a 142mm width and chromoly rails. The bike comes with chain protectors on the inside here and here, which shows Commencal really care about who's buying the bike, and they care about the customer, because most bikes don't come with these guards, so you have to put them on aftermarket. It really shows they care, and it's quality, it's not just some little plastic rubbish, it's actually quality and it will last. The geometries of the bike is, the seat tube length is, on a medium is a 440 millimeters, and the seat tube angle is 74 degrees, and the head tube angle is 65 degrees, which makes the bike nice and slack. The head tube length is 115 millimeters, and on a medium the wheelbase is 1178, which is a nice length, and the top tube length is 602, the chainstay length is 432, and the bottom bracket height is -40, and the fork length is 555, standover height is 735, the reach is 420, and the stack is 634. And that's the geometries of my bike. Now with all that said and done, it doesn't come with pedals, that's standard, and the midnight blue look makes this bike look amazing, and all up the weight is 13 kilograms, which is a super light hardtail aluminium frame, and it is a very nice bike. I recommend you to go out and buy it. And this is an absolute machine on the trails with the 2.8-inch tyres. You can't get much better than that. And I'll see you in the next video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and keep your eye out for a testing video where I'll go through, put this bike through its paces, and you'll see me in the next one. See you later.